Rationalize the denominator. 7 divided by 5 plus the square root of 3. So to eliminate our radical sign, we're going to multiply the denominator by its conjugate. So we're going to multiply it by 5 minus the square root of 3. And we're going to multiply the numerator by 5 minus the square root of 3. So now what we have is 7 times 5 minus the square root of 3 over 5 plus the square root of 3 times 5 minus the square root of 3. So now you see we have a perfect square in our denominator. We have a plus b squared, a plus b times a minus b, which equals a squared minus b squared. So now we could rewrite it using this format. So in our numerator, we're going to distribute our 7. So we get 7 times 5 is 35 minus 7 times the square root of 3. Or we could just leave it like that. We'll leave it as unfactored, undistributed. So we'll have 7 times 5 minus the square root of 3. So now we can write our denominator using the new formula. If a is 5, then we have 5 squared minus b, which is the square root of 3 squared. So now what we have is 7 times 5 minus the square root of 3 over 5 squared, which is 25, minus the square root of 3 squared, which is 3. So now we can distribute our 7. So we have 7 times 5, which is 35, minus 7 times the square root of 3, over 25 minus 3, which is 22. And that's our answer.